Software testing tools help testers work faster, more accurately, and at scale. Without tools, modern software would be impossible to test properly. Testing tools are software used to plan tests, execute tests, track bugs, and automate repetitive checks. They support testers, but they do not replace thinking. There are different types of testing tools for different purposes. Test management tools help organize test cases, test plans, and test results. They answer one simple question: what was tested and what failed? Bug tracking tools help teams record, prioritize, and fix defects. A bug report tells developers what went wrong, where it happened, and how to reproduce it. Automation tools allow tests to run automatically without human interaction. They are used to repeat the